this is Tim from Your Six Studios. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to allow file transfer from your Android phone to your PC or laptop. So I have my Android phone right here, and I have this USB cable plugged into my PC, my laptop. And the most important thing is to just plug this in, and then in the top left we need to look on our phone. We can just swipe down under the notifications. There should be an option for USB file transfer or something like that. Tap it. If you don't do this, you're not going to be able to find your phone on your computer. Then it's going to be charging. You want to go to transferring files and select this. Once you have this selected, your phone is currently on. I'm just going to put it down, and then we can go to our computer, go to File Explorer right here on the bottom, open this up. Scroll on down on the left, locate your phone under this PC. You can find it right there, Timbo's A16. If you have your SD card on here, you can look through here. But I'm going to go to my internal storage, so you have two different storage spots. You can try to find your pictures and stuff in a different folder, but if you're taking pictures with the camera app, go to DCIM. Camera, you can see your other stuff in here as well. Look through those. And I got nothing in here because I literally just transferred everything. So let's try different picture area, Google Photos. Alright, I got two things in here. I can just copy everything, or go to select all right here, right click on it. If you go to copy, that's going to leave copy on your phone. If you go to cut, it's going to delete it from your phone. So let's go to cut, and then I'm going to go to an area on my computer. I'm going to go to pictures, save pictures right here. You can right click and go to new, and you can create a folder, and you can name it, and then I can right click into that folder, and then I can go to paste. And now I have those pictures from my Android phone on here. I can take a look at it. Now most times I just use the Photos app. I can go to Always to open up my photos, and this will allow me to see it on my computer. Oh, that's too close. And then you can edit this on here as well. You can print it, and you can share it now too. So hopefully this quick little video did indeed help you guys out. Leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below.